My name is Dominic Rose, and I'm 14 and in the 8th grade. My family was trying to figure out how to grow our own food using different methods. So I decided to do my science project on how plants will grow in a hydroponic system versus an aquaponic system. Then we recently became interested in growing plants in different hydroponic systems. What we would like to grow, because we like to grow food in a smaller space and more plants in that space. We would also like to save money on soil and soil amendments. And the growing plants in a hydroponic system would allow us to do both of those. But we didn't know if the types of hydroponic systems were the same or which one we should use. And many people believe that an aquaponic system is superior to a hydroponic system because it's a self-contained system. The plants and the fish give each other what they need in order to survive. And the purpose of doing this experiment was to find out whether or not plants grew better in an aquaponic system versus in a hydroponic system. My hypothesis was that if I use fish waste in an aquaponic system, then those plants will grow better than those in a hydroponic system. Now, my variables are my independent variable with my nutrients, the fish waste in the aquaponic system, and in the hydroponic system, the artificial nutrient solution. My dependent variable was the plant growth. And I also had my controls, my lighting, my humidity, the same plants in both systems, and the water, or pretty much the humidity. And my materials were the floodlights, distilled water, pH testing kit, 2 of this H type of plant seedling, my rockwool cubes, my hydrogen nutrient solution. I had my hydroponic system, aquaponic system, and a ruler to measure how tall the plants get. And in my procedure, you could build or buy a hydroponic system of choice. You buy the seeds in rockwool, you plant the seeds and set up the hydroponic system. Feed the fish every day, like 2 or 3 times a day. Every day, check on the seedlings until they sprout. Then spray the leaves and make sure the roots are moistened so the plant doesn't die. And then just watch the plants grow as that happens and record your results. And these are my results. The first day we planted the plant, we put them in our homemade humidifier, and we planted the seedlings in the rockwool cubes. By the 3rd day, some of the plants had actually started sprouting, and by day 8, they were actual plants. Then, the day 26, my aquaponic system, the plant's roots hadn't got very big, and that's my cucumber. They still haven't gotten very big. Then on day 26, my cucumber from my hydroponic system, the roots got pretty big, and the plant very big. On the 31st day, the height of my cucumber was 9.5 inches, and the height of this cucumber for the hydroponic system was 18 inches. And that was like by the end of the month. And so in conclusion, the hydroponic system worked better than the aquaponic system. So as I stated in my hypothesis, I believe that if I use fish waste in the aquaponic system, then those plants will grow better than those in the hydroponic system. My results did not support my hypothesis, and the results showed that the plant growing in the hydroponic system got bigger than the one in the aquaponic system. So some of the challenges that I faced in this experiment was keeping the pH level neutralized and keeping the plants supported so they wouldn't fall over and break. So I could apply this in real life because hydroponic systems and aquaponic systems are 2 types of systems that you can use indoors or outdoors, depending on what you want to do. And the research in this you can use by individuals who are trying to decide which which hydroponic system to use. Thank you. That's all.